give you that house for 8 million naira, you will take it. How much is land in OWERRI? Gone are the days when lands were sold for that amount of money, let alone a full 4-bedroom duplex with all rooms in suites. Now the actual price for that house is 87 million naira, and like I always say, OWERRI size. Every shoe has its own size. If it's above your budget, well and good, but if it's within your budget, I tell you to get it. And as I always do in all my videos, I try to show you the environment and how the whole place looks like, because I wouldn't want to show you one magnificent building somewhere that looks like the Caribbean, and then you come out and you now notice that you are in the middle of nowhere, or you are in some sort of swamp or something. It's the same thing people in Lekki are suffering today. If you want to see what the property or the environment of the property looks like, do well to watch this video to the very end. Now let's sit down and enjoy this beautiful house. Now this could be your dream home, or this could be someone else's dream home, depending on how fast you act. And I wanted to bring this video to you now because we're in the process of cleaning up the place, and I thought to bring it to you sharp before other people do. Now let's get into this video. Now before I forget, remember to like this video. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't, because I have loads and loads of stuff already in this channel and more coming your way. So let's get right into this video. I'm going to show you what this place looks like. So let's go inside. So visitor's toilet is here. So this is the living room. It's spacious, and if there's something I like about here, I love how big or how lengthy the windows are, so they give you like enough space for air and light. And I love the fact that it's all white. You can see that the tiles are not all those cherry small naira tiles that were used for this. This was actually meant for big, like, you guys know that I don't give you anything crappy now. Look at the POP, excellent, and it also has a camera already installed in it. Like, this place is amazing. This place, the doors are exquisite. Everything meant for a king, just in this perfect home and just for you. Now I'm going to take you to all the rooms and everything, so you see for yourself what it's all about. And remember, we just passed the visitors' toilets. Now to the kitchen. This is every woman's dream, with the oven, the microwave all seated in, with the cabinets all done, the marble slabs, everything on point. Everything. Now check out this cabinet now. Clean, neatly. Oh my god, like everything you would want in your kitchen. The heater is there. The windows as well are excellent. It also has this deep look at this. You could actually use the electric one. Even the oh my god, look at the heat extractor. Everything as it should be. I also had to open the down part for you to see that everything is there. You could either use the electricity, or you could use a gas cylinder. Anything at your disposal. So you can see the sink as well. It also has a pantry, like a very beautiful store, like your kitchen cabinet and everything for all your food items. It also has an island, like you can see, kitchen island all here. What else would you want in your kitchen? You can make the most delicious food here for your family and friends. Now to the very first room, which is still on the ground floor, is the visitors room. You still have your closet and everything just right for your guests. The toilet and bathroom is all in suite. The shower, the heater, the toilet, the mirror, and that's me. Come get this property and everything your guest needs to stay happy and comfortable in your home. This is hospitality at its peak. You can see that window as well, giving you the view, giving you that view and everything. The tiles are exquisite and beautiful. I love that it's all white, and I love that it's also very airy and spacious. Now let's go upstairs so you can see what the 3-bedroom it's all about. I know you want to check that out. You definitely want to check this out. So this is the stairs. I love the railings as well. This is the lounge area. You can just sit down here, press your phone. This is also the small living room. Upstairs you can have like the kids parlor or something, a gaming room, or if you're a YouTuber you can use this for your YouTube. This is the balcony. This shows you everywhere. If you know Oxygen Resort and Forever Hotel, like I explained in one of my videos, it is actually next to it. Like I said, this view is just beautiful, just out here and the like, watching the sunset or watching the sunrise, just doing everything you love in one space and in the comfort of your home. Now that is luxury, guys, luxury. And like I said, I do not like to show you environments that are not healthy. This is all you need. Okay, the doors. This door actually got me. I love the door. I loved it so much. It was beautiful. It was beautiful. Now let's go to the master's bedroom. That's all everyone wanted to see. First, I love the tiles. Like, the tiles were so beautiful, so beautiful. And I love that it has a lot of windows, so it lets in a lot of light and air into the room. You can see how lit this place looks. Now my favorite part, the closet. It's actually very beautiful. I love the fact that it is not in the main room itself, so it doesn't give you that distraction, right? So you can have your room and your closet and your clothes all fitted here, even your shoes, without having them in your main bedroom. How good is that? Now, this is actually the best part for me. Like, I love everything here. Besides, the best part for me is that you have two of both walls in one space. Now think about having like a very long day and you just want to soak in the bath, like you just want to soak in the tub. Now this is for married people only. Oh, just check out you and Oga inside that place, only both of you, with your red wine, with your candles, with your roses. Well, in 9 months time we will come and carry pikin, just so you know. Okay guys, so I just love the fact that you have both walls here. You have those who want to shower and those who don't want to shower, they just want to soak in. Now this is another room. It could actually be the children's room. It could actually be Madame's room if you guys want to have two separate rooms. And I love the fact that you have another view here. It's also very beautiful, and I love that it's also well lighted. The closet as well is on another level, just like we had the first one. The bathroom is exquisite, the shower head all functioning. You also have the heater, you also have the mirror as well. Like I said, money is good, and this life, chop it where you can. Chop it, my brothers and sisters. Okay, like I said, if you're interested in this property, please give me a call or send me an email. Now this is all you want. You really want to keep paying that rent? You really want to keep doing that? This is another room, the third room, but we couldn't open it because they kept some things there. Like I said, we're in the process of cleaning out this whole place. So this is the staircase, and I love the fact that the railings are not like the usual ones. Like I said, this is bringing Lagos to OWERRI. This is the type of houses you see in big places like Lekki, VI, Ikoyi in Lagos. This is what has been brought to you here in OWERRI on a platter of gold. Guys, this is giving you luxury on a promo. This is bonanza. You won't get this price anywhere. And check out, your security man also lives like a king. See his own deck now. See his decking. He has his own bathroom and kitchen inside. Like I said, it's all in suite, so you don't have your gateman cooking outside your house. He's there cooking, and your guests are like, what's happening? He has his own kitchen in his house. How wonderful is that? And then you don't get to share your house with your maids or your helpers. They also have their own room inside the main building, but not in the main building. You get me? They are in the main building, but they're not in the main building. That's thinking. Like, that's thinking for you. The whole place is well lit. Even the floors have their own lights. Yes, even the floors have their lights, as you can see. The floors have their lights. So this whole place is very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. You have your changeover section right there to change over from generator to gen or to solar. Yes, you also have your water head tank. This is the place for the boys' quarters for your help to stay in. They also have their own room, and the other one is the exit for the kitchen. Like I said, you have your own. You're not going to fetch water outside or beg your neighbor for water. You have your water head with 2 tanks. You can always pump your water at your own discretion. How good is that? This is living the life that God has called you to live. Enjoy it. Now, it's not to live inside a very beautiful house and you're sleeping with one eye closed. Now, check out the barbed wires. They're all electrified. One arm robber come here, you don't double ya. Okwa double ya. Electric don't shock and you don't die. So you're safe and sound. Your kids are safe. You're in a very secure environment. And whilst you're thinking whether you should get this property or not, the next building, that's the twin of this house, its twin has been sold, or it was sold 3 days ago. So while you're still sleeping on this offer, someone else is cashing, like sending the money straight up. So while you're still thinking, oh, this place is expensive or not, this second part of the house, that one you're seeing right there, has been sold, and the person is moving in immediately. It has been sold, signed and sealed. So while you're still sleeping on this offer, someone else is taking the bull by the horn. I'm done showing you the property. I also love to show you what the environment looks like, who your neighbors look like, what their houses look like. Is here developed? Is here like an island? Is here already a residential area? And every question you have to ask, I'll show you right now. This is Concord. We have all the suits. This one is an estate because it looks big.
Yes, that's Concord.
You can see what the place looks like currently. Hi. It looks like cars. You want to buy that property, or you want to be eating nkwobi every weekend? This is another weekend, you're eating another nkwobi. Dollar ain't going anywhere. Are you seeing how high dollar is increasing? And that's how we keep in God. If you like, keep eating nkwobi or drinking pami. Others are buying houses. You're asking me that it's too expensive. What is the economic value of OWERRI to be selling house at such prices? A property is going for 2 billion naira in this same OWERRI, and it's going to be sold. I was there. Someone just sold the property for 450 million in this same OWERRI, and you're asking me what is the economic value of OWERRI to be selling house at such a ridiculous amount. If it's not within your budget, just say it and move on. There are people that have the money for it. Give me those people on a size, okay? See you guys in my next video. But remember to like this video, comment, share, and most importantly, bye. Now you've seen the whole property and everything, the environment. If it's within your budget and if it's something you really want, now kindly dial the number you can see on your screen now, and we'll be sure to sort you out immediately. The house has a C of O attached to it, and it's a government allocation, so it's safe and secure, and everything is in place. Do well to send me an email or call the number on the screen, and I'll be sure to sort you out. Please, the number is for business only. It may or might not be my number, so whatever else you're looking for that's not business related, you are on your own. Okay, remember to give this video a thumbs up. It will do this video a whole lot of good. And remember to share, like, and comment. If you don't have the money for it, you might have someone who knows, you might know someone who has the money for it, who knows someone who has the money for it, or something like that. Just share this video to them, link me up, and we'll be sorted out.